Oh, wow. That's big. Oh, that's big. All right, guys, welcome back to another video. Back here at the spillway, as you can see, it's definitely spilling over a lot more than it was last time. The side here wasn't even open the last time we were here, and the other side was just barely coming over. Oh shoot, there's a big gar right there. Look at that thing. That's a pretty good sized gar, man. But anyways, we're gonna start off here with the spoon. See if we can't get any hybrids. Stay tuned and see what happens. We also got night crawlers and a few other lures that we'll probably toss on and try. Oh. Yeah, backlashing already, that ain't good. It's hot out here today too. It's like, I don't know, upper 80s or so. But it's pretty warm. All right, we made a move down the river. See if there's anything biting down here. Oh, what do we got? Dang, that's a decent crappie. No way. Look at that. That was the last thing I was expecting to get. But we'll take it. All right, guys. Got our second fish out of the river. Nice 13-inch crappie. See if we can't get anything else. Man, these mosquitoes are nuts back here. Are you still recording? Yep. All right. Should have brought some bug spray. Man. I might throw on a spinner before we head out of here. See if we can't get any bites on that. I've heard when the water's high, like it is now, the hybrids are usually moved up in here, but I don't think that's the case today. Oh, got one. Oh, what do we got? Oh, another crappie. No, a hybrid. Dang. All right. I'm gonna make a few more casts with the blade bait here. And then we'll tie on inline spinner. This water's a little murky, so having that blade on there might help get some fish's attention. Oh, right on the drop. Oh. Oh, wow. That's big. Oh, that's big. Holy cow. That's a big one. Oh boy. Oh boy. Oh no! No! No, that was a huge walleye. Oh my gosh. Oh no. That's crazy. That is nuts. That was freaking huge. That would have been definitely a PB walleye. Oh my gosh. Oh man, he hit it right on the fall. Oh man. My gosh. I hope you guys can see that. That would have been a walleye worth weighing. I don't think I've ever weighed one. That would have been the one. All right, we got our night crawler out on the bottom. Start cleaning up our stuff here. Mosquitoes are tearing me up. Sick of them.